$96,198 was invested in savings bonds with an annual interest compounded 16 times per year. After 13 years, there is $196,405.71 in the savings bonds. What was the interest rate of the investment? We start off with our exponential growth formula. C sub n is equal to C sub 0, our initial value, our final value, times 1 plus the I, the interest, to the power of n. Now this is interest per compound. N is how many compounds there are in all. We have to figure out I and n. I is J, nominal rate, the compounded annual rate, whatever it is compounded annually, and m is the number of compounds per year, or 16 compounds per year in this case. We don't know what the interest rate is, but we know we're compounding it 16 times. I is going to be J over 16. N is going to be m times t, the number of compounds times the number of years. The number of compounds is 16 times 13, which is 208. Put in everything we know. So we know our final amount is $196,405.71. Our initial amount is $96,198. 1 plus, now our interest rate is J over 16. We don't know what J is, and that's raised to the power of n, which is 208. Get rid of the 96,198. It is multiplying the bracket, so I'm going to divide both sides by 96,198. When I divide the right-hand side by that, it just cancels, it gives me 1. When I divide the right-hand side, we get this division. It gives us 1,964,05.71 divided by 96198 is equal to 2.041681. Goes on for a while. Keep that number in your calculator, you need it. You don't want to round this. Is equal to 1 plus j divided by 16 to the power of 208. I can get rid of that 208 by raising this side to the 1 over 208, dividing this by 208. If I raise the right-hand side to the 1 over 208, I have to raise the left-hand side as well. Okay, when I raise the right-hand side, it cancels, right? So I'm just left with the 1 plus j over 16. On the left-hand side, I have 1 over 208 as the exponent. Take this number, and we raise it to the exponent. I need the bracket to do that. 1 divided by 208, close the bracket, equals 1.003437499999. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. We end up getting 0.00343749. It goes on forever, is equal to j divided by 16. To get rid of the 16 is dividing the j. I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to multiply both sides by 16. When I multiply the right-hand side, it cancels. When I multiply the left-hand side, we get, subtract the 1, and then times 16 equals 0.054999999. That 999 goes on forever, so I'm just going to round it up to this decimal place, right? So it's going to be 0.055 is equal to j. That's as a decimal. As a percent, it is going to be, move the decimal place twice, 5.5%. The annual interest rate was 5.5%. Let's put that actually into the program to see if it works. 5.5%. And that's it for a level 26 type question. Have a good day.